It's safety time. So let me tell you what not to do. Do not fray your tie downs. Okay, so I don't know if you saw the other video that I made, but it was on the Etrack setup. Let's just say link is above. Click it. So I installed Etrack to haul this sweet thing to California. I'm in Utah, so from Utah to California. I didn't want to strap it through the control arms, so I was advised that I could strap over the tires with some straps if I just do an Etrack setup. So I did the Etrack setup on the trailer, and then I bought these straps online, and then I bought these little idler guys to go on there. Everything looked like a great idea, but it was a terrible idea because my car almost flipped off the trailer 75 different times. Not really, it was actually pretty secure, but these are junk now. You can see that it frayed. And the reason it frayed was because we got sharp edges here. Sharp edges are not friendly. So my buddy Kurt Burris with Burris Racing told me about these. And so I went ahead and got them. I also got new straps. So yeah, they'll roll over nice and smooth. Now, lucky for you, I set up a little demonstration over here on the trailer, because that's the kind of person I am. That's very nice of me. So here's my old setup. Here's what I did. Just Etrack. Nice little tie down. And there's the problem. See how these ones are even frayed a little bit more? 2 times, tied it down. You can see they move a little bit. So with the new setup, now it's the same. It's the exact same tie down. Just creates a better angle and a nice little roller for it to rest on, so it's not scuffing itself up. I mean, that was 1 trip right here. Well, 2 trips there and back, but that's it. And these tie downs are junk. So that's the way to go. Definitely the way to go. Definitely. So I will post up the link in the description for all of the items that I used. I don't know if you want the Etrack on there. That's in the other video, but again, you can see, not good. Not good. So if you want to watch more episodes of Learning to Tow with Greg, yeah, I don't know if that's what you want to do, because I'm kind of new to the whole thing, but obviously I'm having to replace stuff because of mistakes. So don't make these mistakes. Okay, don't do sharp edges. Yeah, I should have known when I first got them, but I didn't, and now I do know. So yeah, be on the lookout. We got a new tow rig that's coming up pretty soon. I'll give you all the details on that, but for now, don't tow like this, and you'll tow smarter, tow safer, whatever. Do all the things correctly. See ya.